Auto Molotov on him.
There's somebody right next to me.
He's dead. Alright, I'm pushing this guy, shooting with car.
There's somebody right here. He was just shooting.
I'm gonna
There's
throw...
two guys to your right coming up.
I'm gonna throw this guy on down.
They're on that rat.
One down.
He's right there.
Where are they?
Two of them coming on your left. On your left.
He's really low, he's really low.
One more on your left.
Oh! Nice. Do you have smoke?
I do.
I'm going around Zanros. Oh fuck, dude. Oh fuck, wrong hotkey.
Face still. Jesus Christ, dude.
Wrong hotkey again. Dude, it's not switching. I click in the sticky bomb and then switch again to the...
I got it. Move back.
The fuck?
Jeez.
Yeah, look, I click the stick and then I press 5 and it goes back to my grenade. I don't know why it's happening.
Dude, you
What the
flashbanged
fuck?
me.
Yeah, I wasted
hilarious.
my Molotov and my flash.
Yes, you did.
I can give you a molly.
Is there more people in the city? They're gonna run now.
That building with the red thing on the right side, Jamila. There's a guy in there. 2-320. Taking a boost. Oh, we gotta watch out for that purple shit though.
Yeah.
Everybody coming up, but there's that. They're coming up this way behind it.
I think they're shooting you from 300 car.
Yeah, they're gonna be coming from
They're
255.
gonna push this hill.
Yeah, we gotta watch. Over
Yeah, I
this side.
see him. He's at the wall, my mark.
We gotta watch this side, dude.
He's there. I saw him in the wall. I tagged him. He got inside the building. I think I had shot the guy. Well, he's fucked. He's gonna have to move now. And I tagged him headshot.
4 more.
He's running. My mark. Tag him. Tag him again.
Got him, got him.
Nice. Dude, M16 is so bad.
They're in front. 10.
15.
At least one of them. I don't know about the rest of them.
Oh, I see him. 2 guys there.
Yeah, let's see him.
Oh.
Nice molly, dude.
I don't see him.
They're in the
Yeah, I'm
footsteps
just
down here.
random shooting there. I'm gonna throw some sticky bombs on them.
He's gonna have to move in a second.
That's right.
Oh,
I
behind,
knew
behind.
there'd be another
It's
one.
fine. One guy.
He's behind the...
Molly. Oh.
Alright, let's push.
Don't forget about some other guys.
Nice.
Those
They're gonna
other
be
two
coming
guys
up the
are gonna push
hill.
Up the hill. They might have already pushed.
On the right, over here. 2 of them. On the right. One's down. The other one's northeast.
GG.
Finish me.
Easy game.
Man, now we're gonna have to keep G-Ham in there. Sorry, Dusty. Queue up, Buttercup.
Sorry, I'm used to it.
I told you we were keeping them, dude.
Dude, he was running around first person with the DBS, yeah.
There's another 4X.
Somebody's here. I don't think it was you guys.
Huh?
Yeah,
You sure? I'm in the building like right next to you.
I'm almost positive.
Do you know where, maybe?
To my left, you got 95. If you look on your mini map where I'm looking, it sounds like he's over there.
I'm getting on this balcony here.
It might be an echo from them, but dude, nah. Did you just open a
Bike
door?
coming? Bike coming?
I'm
No.
almost positive. Yeah, there's somebody here, dude. Right next to me.
Was it a bot?
No.
People fight. Alright, let's get the truck and go in front of them.
Guy going up the hill, just to the left.
Yeah.
Tagged him?
I'm gonna get the top of the hill.
Alright.
Nice
Oh,
shot.
nice.
That one might have
Alright,
been a
guys
bot.
coming from 310, both from smoke.
Tagged him? Why did I keep getting shot?
Tag the guy. I tag the guy who shot Kyle. He's healing.
I need more 7. This is gonna start hurting a little more. You might want to say fuck him. Yeah.
Just keep full boost. I have a bunch of boosts.
Oh my god, dude.
Assist. Like I died, Kyle.
Yeah.
I think those guys are just gonna die out play zone.
Oh shit.
They're right here in front of us, 75. Oh, I
Nice,
just
dude.
killed both.
Go.
I need
we went-
meds,
Yeah,
but
here,
I
I'm
don't
gonna
want to go down there.
I'm gonna smoke.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
gonna
smoke it.
I'll go, yeah.
We all need
I
stuff,
have
I think.
zero
Yeah, I
bandage.
just need meds too. I'm gonna take the top of this hill. Yeah, I just basically need meds and 7.
Oh, great. 5 bandages on the guy. that's it.
Bandages, dude.
Oh my god, everybody's fucking this guy. The guy has 6 bandages.
I got like 5 bandages and a couple boosts of them.
Yeah, I got 1 boost, 5 bandages.
I did get a couple frags though.
Oh, they're gonna have to move. Oh, he's trying to frag on you.
Oh shit. Nice! Team. Tag him. Those other guys over behind that tree, 160.
Knocked one.
Nice, they're all dead, they're all dead.
Nope, nope. There's another guy in front of you, Yuri. Gonna be at that tree, 160. I took my only bandage. I'm gonna full boost, I guess. Do you have any more bandages or anything, guy?
Yes, here's a bandage. And a painkiller. So there's somebody in the buildings and then one on the tree, you're saying?
Yeah, I saw one guy crest the top of that hill.
I have 8 bullets.
Here.
Shoot.
Or if you need, just... Gotta make them count.
I don't have any smokes.
I do not either. If you can push that guy at the top of the hill there, Yuri, then I think we might be alright.
This guy's running over here to the left, right? Take him twice.
Knocked.
Nice.
He's at the building, Yuri, right there.
I saw.
He's at the building?
Yeah, he's out behind the building.
Okay.
Oh, I miss. Fucking miss all my shots on the guy. But he's outside the zone.
Yeah,
Just play safe. You're gonna have to push us. You're gonna run right now. He's going the left. Yeah, Hoover on the left. Nice. Dude, I missed my 5 shots on him. What the fuck? GG.
We scraped that out, dude, with bandages and shit.
Yeah, I don't know how we survived that shit.
We got lucky that they had to move on the hill, I think.
Dude, I grabbed that bike and freaking ballsed it. Vehicle. Rip, next one.
Vehicle stop 220.
Take ours and go? We gotta take ours and go, or we're gonna get stuck.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try smoke. Let's get in the car and go. I blocked the vision with the smoke. Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go green. Come green.
Oh man. Go.
Sorry.
There's a guy right down here. Poor guy.
This guy running in front of us.
Yep.
You can run him over, it's in the open.
Oh! That went down quick.
Try smokes, guys.
Southeast, close. I heard footsteps.
At the rock.
There's 2 at the rock, 140.
Knocked one. Killed. I think they're both
We gotta
dead.
get on the other side over here.
This guy had meds. Quite a bit.
Yeah, I need him.
I know the guy in the house.
Here, guy.
My mark.
He's next to it.
Window.
Just don't get knocked while you're peek, because they gotta move before we do.
Guys, come on. Nobody's covering me here.
You said.
said
I was
don't
the
peek,
3,
dude.
the guy came from the right.
Oh, you didn't tell us.
There was 2 guys. I couldn't move there, I was stuck. Instead of killing those guys close to us, you guys fighting like 400 meters away.
Oh, I'm just sitting here looking around.
Trying to get meds. and
Yeah, I
stuff.
was stuck there, I couldn't move.
We threw smokes.
Yeah, we all got out of there. Just, you stay on the tree, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I couldn't come back.
They're gonna be running
Lot
in a
of
second.
smokes.
They're gonna be running from this house. There they go. There you go. How many left?
Nice.
On the ship?
Nice, this guy is good, dude. Nice.
Nice.
GG.
Fishy. I got him.
Nice shots. Damn, dude. He didn't miss a single shot in those guys now. This guy was good.